For thousands of years, we've lived beside these beasts, using them, abusing them. Delicious. But have we ever considered where they came from, or what they actually are? Call me freaking crazy, but birds are actually drones. If you look at the design of a bird, it is the exact same as an aeroplane. The aerodynamics of the bird and the plane are exactly identical. It's as if they ripped the designs from an airplane and put it to these fictional creatures. Wake up, America. And you know what? Have you ever even seen a bird sleep? No, you probably haven't, because they go to a secret agency to charge and refuel so they can go back out and take surveillance of innocent bystanders. Wake up, America. Baby birds, please. Come on. We all know those are Photoshop monstrosities that the government has created. Get out of here, National Geographic. And that's not even the worst part. All the birds that you do see in public are actually Chinese and Obama drones. You see, back in 2012, Obama and the Chinese were in cahoots making drones to take surveillance of innocent people. Okay, birds are fake. But if birds aren't real, Wait, Will, hold on. I don't feel so good, Will. It's gonna be okay, Will. Just listen to me, okay? I don't want to go, Will. Hold on, buddy, I'm gonna get you. No one's gonna remember me.
Uncle Tez had to steal my beat.
Sad nigga hours, sad nigga hours, 24/7 is sad nigga hours, sad nigga hours.